Long sit is a neuromobilization technique to reduce neural tension on the spinal cord. So a lot of times from a neuromobilization standpoint, we may focus on the peripheral nerves in the upper extremity and the lower extremity. But there's also the reality we might have neural tension that is on our spinal cord as well. And long sit is an effective way to mobilize the spinal cords as it has to track while we go through flexion and extension of the spinal column itself. So how we're going to perform this is we're going to get into what's known as long sit. All right, you can do this on the floor, feet straight out in front of you. You want to have some relaxation in the toes. You don't necessarily want to worry about pulling them back towards us. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to be in extended posture. And now we're going to basically go through a rounding, a sequential rounding through flexion, where I'm going to drop my chin down, round through my upper back, and start to slide towards my toes, and then come back into extension, so then becomes a reversal. Drop the chin towards my chest, and then round and slide out towards my toes, making sure that as I slide out, I'm getting my shoulder blades to round with me. I don't need to keep them pinched back with me. I want them to kind of flare around the rib cage into protraction, and then we'll slide back up into extension, dropping the chin down towards the chest and sliding out towards the toes and back up. So you'll want to repeat that. As far as how many times, with the patients I work with, that becomes a self-prescribed number. It's purely individualized, but essentially what we do is try to target a number that allows them to achieve the relief that they need, reducing the tension that's present, and also with the reduction of any type of symptoms they may have as well in regards to pain, numbness, or tingling.